Gone are the days when an executive simply makes a decision from the gut. Analytic skills are becoming increasingly important because analytics work. They lead to better decisions. With more information and better technology than ever before, applying analytical thinking to your business problems will lead to better decisions and more value. This program draws on sports as a case study to make data analytics concepts easier to understand, more applicable to your organization, and dare I say, more fun to learn. There's an increasing focus on data in the workplace today simply because there's more data than ever before. The challenge for executives is to make sense of the data and apply these insights to their organizations. Participants will walk away from this program with a new analytics plan that they can apply to their organization. Our goal in this program is to enhance your skills as a data-informed executive. Join us for this Management Analytics online program from MIT Sloan Executive Education. Wayne Gretzky once famously said, "You miss 100% of the shots you don't take." So take a shot and come join us. And now, it's game time.